Hey there, I just got out of the shower, no makeup, but I wanted to show you this Biossance Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream. It is really, really nice, and I have been loving how thick it is and how moisturizing it is. It has lipids and ceramides. Now, this is the mini size, but it also comes larger. So I'll just show you how really nice and, well, it's hard to tell if it's thick, but believe me, it is thick. And a little bit goes a long way. And it's not greasy, but it's super moisturizing. It has lipids and ceramides. It's really thick. The squalene is the moisturizing part, and that comes from sugarcane. It's non-toxic because Biossance is all about clean beauty. And 94% of people saw an improvement in their fine lines within 1 week. And that comes from the hyaluronic acid that is in it. So yeah, I've been using it for a couple weeks now, and I really, really like it. Thanks.